Hello and welcome to adding mixed fractions. So let's show you how to do this first question. So the first question states 1 3 over 10 plus 5 4 over 10. So what we're going to do here is we are going to multiply the bottom number with the side number together. And that gives us 10 times 1 is 10. And then we add the top number. And then 10 times 1 is 10, 10 add 3 is 13, so it'll be 13 over 10. Okay, so the denominator always stays the same. Let's do exactly the same with the equation on the right. So these two numbers, we always multiply. So 10 times 5 is 50, and then we add the top number. So 10 times 5 is 50, 50 add 4 is 54 over 10. So the denominator always stays the same. So now we're just adding these two numbers up. So 13 add 54, 67. And then the denominator stays the same, which again is going to be 10. Now at the moment, we've got an improper fraction. So an improper fraction means that the fraction is top heavy. So in other words, the top part of the fraction is bigger than the bottom part of the fraction, which means that we need to turn this into a mixed number. So how many times can 10 divide into 67? So how many times can 10 divide into 67? So let's just work it out up here. So 10 goes into 67 6 times, because 10 times 6 is 60, and that leaves us with a remainder 7. So 10 goes into 67 6 times. The remainder goes at the top, 7, and the bottom number always stays the same. So our answer in this case is 6 7 over 10. So let's go for option number C in this case, 6 7 over 10. And let's move on to the next question. Let's do this one together as well, just to help you out. Exactly the same thing that we're going to do as we did last time. So 7 1/7 plus 3 4/7. So multiply these two numbers together, the bottom number and the side number, then add the top number. So 7 times 7 is 49. Add the top number 1, so it becomes 50. So we have 50 over 7. So the denominator, which is the bottom number, always stays the same. Let's do the same thing here. So 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. And then add the top number. So 21 add 4 is 25. So 25 over 7. And the denominator stays the same. So let's add these across now. So 50 add 25 is 75 over 7. Now again, because this is an improper fraction, it's top heavy, the top number is bigger than the bottom number, we're going to turn this now into a mixed number answer. So let's work out, first of all, how many times 7 goes into 75. So 75 divided by 7. So 7 divides into 75 10 times, because 7 times 10 is 70, and remainder 5. So 7 goes into 75 10 times. The remainder, which is here, goes at the top, which is 5. And the bottom number, 7, stays the same. So our answer here is 10 5 over 7. So option D is going to be our right answer. So try your best, use exactly the same technique. And if you end up with two final numbers that can be simplified, then please do simplify these numbers if they can be simplified in the follow-up questions. Good luck.